We are working on the red Big Ideas Record and Practice Journal. We're doing 6.7 today, and we're just doing simple interest. And our formula that we're using is interest I is equal to principal times rate times time. So interest I equals principal times rate times time. For problem number 1, it says account earned simple interest. Find the interest earned and find the balance of the account. So essentially what we have here is we have $400 at 7% interest for 3 years. All we're going to do is we're just going to multiply those together. The 400 is our principal, the rate is 7%, and the time is 3 years. So we're going to go 400 times, I'm going to convert my percent to a decimal, so I'm going to use 0.07 times 3 years. And if I do that, I'm going to get 84. So my interest would be $84, and it says find the balance of the account, so I'm going to do 400 plus that $84 in interest, so my total is going to be $484. For number 4, it's a little more challenging. We're going to use that same formula, interest equals principal times rate times time. We're given our principal, we're given our time, but we're not given our rate. So we're kind of having a missing R there. So we're going to do 1,000 times 5, so we're going to get 5,000, and then we're going to have R because we still don't know the R, and we have 310 over here. And essentially what we're going to do is we're going to divide by 5,000 and divide by 5,000 so we can find out what our rate is. And we're going to do 310 divided by 5,000, and we get 0.062, and that would, once we move our decimal into 2 places to the right, it's going to be 6.2%. So remember, we have a decimal, we move it to the right, we're going to end up with a percent. And for the last one, number 5, it says interest equals 60, principal equals 750, the rate is 4%. We're going to do that same formula, except this time we're missing the time. If we look up here, interest equals principal times rate times time, so we don't have the time. We're going to do 750 times 0.04, which is 30. So now I have 30t, and that's going to be equal to 60. So in order to get the t by itself, I'm going to have to divide by 30 on each side. So 60 divided by 30 is going to give me my answer of 2 years. So my time would be 2 years. And I'm getting a little bit janky because I'm in the corner. So this is 6.7. It's simple interest. This is the formula that we'll be using. Interest equals principal times rate times time. And hopefully that worked out.